Imagine a swarm of tiny explosive drones no larger than a housefly, capable of flying at an incredible 10,000 miles per hour. This isn't science fiction, it's the cutting edge of military technology. The USA military has developed millions of these drones and they've already been deployed in recent conflicts with Iran. Now this groundbreaking technology is being supplied to Ukraine. These tiny drones can zip through the air, evading detection and interception thanks to their minuscule size and mind-blowing speed. They operate with a level of precision that was once thought impossible, targeting specific threats with pinpoint accuracy. And their range? Global, extending even into space. This means they can neutralize threats far beyond the traditional battlefield. The implications for global security are vast. Imagine a world where traditional missile systems and countermeasures are rendered obsolete. These drones can intercept and destroy enemy missiles before they even leave their launch sites. For Ukraine, this technology could be a game-changer, providing a powerful defense against Russian missile strikes and potentially shifting the balance of power in the region. But how do these tiny drones work? At their core, they are marvels of miniaturization, equipped with advanced sensors, AI-driven navigation systems, and explosive payloads. They can operate autonomously or in swarms, coordinating their movements to overwhelm enemy defenses. Their speed and agility make them nearly impossible to track or stop. The deployment of these drones marks a significant shift in modern warfare. Traditional concepts of defense and offense are being upended. Instead of relying on large, expensive missile systems, militaries can deploy swarms of these tiny drones to achieve their objectives. This not only changes the dynamics of warfare but also reduces the risk to human soldiers, as these drones can carry out dangerous missions without putting lives at risk. Moreover, the global and space range of these drones opens up new strategic possibilities. They can be launched from virtually anywhere and reach targets across the globe within minutes. This rapid response capability is critical in modern conflicts, where quick decision-making and action are often the keys to success. As with any new technology, there are challenges and concerns. The rapid advancement of drone technology raises questions about regulation, ethics, and the potential for misuse. Ensuring these powerful tools are used responsibly and effectively will be a key task for military and political leaders. The end of war as we know it might be on the horizon. With these tiny explosive drones, conflicts could be resolved more swiftly and with less collateral damage. The ability to preemptively neutralize threats before they can escalate into full-scale wars is a powerful deterrent. In conclusion, the development and deployment of these high-speed, fly-sized explosive drones represent a significant milestone in military technology. Their impact on global security and modern warfare cannot be overstated. As this technology continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how it shapes the future of conflict and defense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the latest advancements in military technology. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.